Acacia.
Hi, I'm Dion. This is our Jurong Maisonette, which we share our pet dog, Muffin. Right from the start when we were looking for a home, we wanted one with a staircase and plenty of space. So we started looking for HDB Maisonette. I think we saw about 10 flats in total, including some executive apartments. But we still felt that one with a staircase was central to our idea of a dream home.
So renovation-wise, we're quite open to the ideas that 3rd Avenue Studio had for us, but we also had some must-haves. For example, we wanted the house to be as open as possible, and also for the kitchen and the toilets to be the highlights.
The first impression that we wanted people to have when they enter the house is a sense of spaciousness and joyfulness. That was how the open concept layout and the pastel theme of our home came to be. Initially, we thought the contrast between pink and blue would be too strong, but we decided to give it a go after looking at the initial 3D drawings. When we first got the house, the kitchen was closed off, so it wasn't as spacious as it is now. There used to be a wall and an entrance in front of the kitchen, which we removed to make way for the island counter.
We enjoy cooking, so we really needed ample preparation space. The island provides that, and it also has cabinets below where we can store all our pots and pans. Our dining area isn't very big as well, so we tend to use this island for meals when our friends and family come over.
Our living room is designed to be as open as possible. Previously, there was a balcony right beside the living room. We decided to merge both of them together to form an even larger space.
Another thing that 3rd Avenue Studio created for the living area was this bay window seat, which has storage built into the seats. It's a nice spot for us to hang out because of all the natural light and air coming in from the windows.
Although some parts had to be replaced, we kept the original parquet steps for the staircase and the flooring for the entire second floor. On the other hand, the glass panes are completely new. We chose them because they go well with the whole idea of spaciousness and zero visual blockage in our home. For the second floor, there were some layout changes made. We merged two of the bedrooms together to create our current master bedroom. And we took some space from the corridor so that we could install a bathtub in our ensuite. There's also a new entrance to the common bathroom that makes it accessible from the corridor outside.
One of the things that we wanted as well was a large sleeping area with a big wardrobe. But if we were to use the original master bedroom, it wouldn't be big enough to fit both. That's why we decided to merge two of the junior bedrooms together.
We wanted a large wardrobe mainly for future-proofing. There's somewhat of a symmetrical design because of the slats on the doors at the end. We chose metallic handles and accents to ensure it looks consistent with the fixtures in the ensuite next door. There's only a sliding glass door separating the ensuite and the wardrobe area because, like downstairs, we wanted it to feel like one whole space. The double vanity is there so that we can start the morning right instead of us jostling over who uses the sink first.
The bathtub isn't something that we use often, but we like having the option to unwind and soak whenever we feel like it. There's a shower set mounted on the wall, so we can use the tub like a regular shower as well. This is our first home and something that we've dreamt of for a very long time. So living here feels unreal even now.
In a way, I feel this was a good learning experience for both of us. Our designers guided us, but it didn't feel like our hands were held all the time. It's nice to know that we played a role in this renovation as well.